That breaking news, the man convicted of killing a Clinton, Missouri police officer will not get the death penalty. Good evening, everyone. I'm Kelly Eckerman.
I'm Matt Fleener. Today, a judge sentenced Ian McCarthy to life in prison without parole. A jury found him guilty of killing Officer Gary Michael during a traffic stop in 2017.
KMBC 9's Andy Alcock was inside the courtroom when the judge made his decision. He's joining us now live, and Andy, families from both sides were there.
Kelly, there were, and some of those family members gave emotional and compelling testimony in court today before the judge made his sentencing decision. In June, a jury found Ian McCarthy guilty of first-degree murder after fatally shooting Clinton, Missouri police officer Gary Michael 6 years ago. But after days of deliberating, that same jury could not reach a unanimous decision about a sentence. Their only two options were the death penalty or life without parole. Missouri is one of only 2 states in the country which then shifts that sentencing burden to the judge. Judge Marco Roldan said it was uncharted territory for him in his 27 years on the bench. His decision? A life sentence for McCarthy without parole.
I do believe that he's remorseful for his actions because I've heard him. He's cried to me when no one's around to listen. You know, it's not for show.
I can forgive even Ian because Jesus Christ forgave me, and I'm okay with that. But forgiveness and justice are two different things.
And before that sentencing decision, the judge denied McCarthy's motion to rule that his decision to issue that sentence when the jury could not unconstitutional. Judge Roldan said that decision is for a higher court to make. He can only interpret the law, not make the law. Reporting live outside the Jackson County Courthouse in Independence, Andy Alcock, KMBC 9 News.
The judge also ruled that McCarthy did receive competent representation in this trial. However, he does have the right to appeal his conviction. KMBC 9 has followed this case since the beginning. In 2017, Officer Michael pulled over McCarthy for driving at night without headlights on. When Officer Michael got out of the car, McCarthy shot at him with a rifle. Michael got shot back, and then McCarthy left the scene. That prompted a 2-day manhunt. KMBC 9 was there in Henry County when police captured him 30 minutes southeast of Clinton in Deepwater. Officer Michael was the first police officer killed in the line of duty in Clinton.